Bondi Rose Sydney is marketed as an elegant Australian fashion boutique with stylish Sydney boutique branding. But the real question is it actually a legit Australian store or another dropshipping style fashion site pretending to be local? Now, to be fair, stores like this often do ship real clothing products. The branding and website presentation are usually designed to feel modern, premium, and trustworthy. What it does well, the Australian coastal aesthetic is appealing. The relaxed linen-style fashion and beach-inspired branding fit a very popular boutique trend. The website looks polished. Professional photography and clean design help the store appear more premium and established. The clothing style is wearable. Many of the pieces focus on casual dresses, relaxed fits, and minimalist fashion that appeals to a broad audience. Where the red flags start appearing, the Australian boutique identity may be mostly marketing. This is the biggest concern. Many online fashion stores use city names like Sydney, Melbourne, or Bondi to appear local and premium even when products ship internationally. Independent brand history appears limited. There is not much strong evidence showing Bondi Rose Sydney is a long-established Australian fashion label. The clothing may come from generic suppliers. Many boutique-style e-commerce stores source products from the same wholesalers used by other online shops. So, is Bondi Rose Sydney real or fake? Short answer, probably a real e-commerce store, but possibly another boutique-style dropshipping operation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.